21 likes lang ako. ABB. Ayan. Dumalaw lang ako dito sa tito ko. Hinihintay namin siya dito sa ano. Kasi nasa work, kaya hintayin namin. Ginawa namin ninong si
sino?
Sanggunian Bayan Bernard Pepe. Engineer. Tapos pinagluto kami kahapon. Tapos hindi kami nakapunta kasi may pinuntahan siya. Hindi ko hawak yung cellphone ko. Ayan. Kami naman ngayon ang maghintay. Kaya, ayan, dito na muna. Hola bonita, besos, tus pies, mi amor, soy Miguel Amayo. Dito na naman tayo sa mga ano Hello, hello, hello. Ayan. Then, hello, Hamod. Thank you for coming, Hamod. Can you please give me likes? Thank you for the likes. Anong ediwa? That is my husband. Roderick Ducusin. Hello, hello guys. Ayan yung husband ko na ano, guwapo, na oppa. Ayan. Hello, you are from what? What place?
I'm from my father from go to my mother.
Hello guys. Thank you guys for coming. Hamod, what place are you? I cannot, I don't know. Ju. What is that? I don't understand your language. Hamod. Miguel Amayo. Yes. What is that? I can't understand. Speak English. So we can understand. Oh. This is my last name. Okay. Aju. Do I pronounce it well? Aju. Ayan, nawawala na yung ano. Hello, hello guys.